What we are about to show you is a very interesting topic because in this video, we are all discussing all about principal roots and irrational numbers. Yes, you hear that right. It's all about principal roots and irrational numbers. And we are hoping that after watching this video, you have learned something. So, without further ado, let's get started.
What is principal roots? It is a positive square root of a number. Principal roots may be rational or irrational. Now let's consider this situation. X squared is equal to 9. What is the solution of this situation? So the solution of this situation is x is equal to 3 because 3 squared is equal to 9. But also x is equal to negative 3 is the solution of this situation because negative 3 squared is equal to 9. Therefore, x squared is equal to 9. It has two solutions, a positive and a negative solution. Because every positive real number has a positive and a negative square root. But what if, instead of looking at this situation, we are looking for square root of 9? Is this equal to 3 or equal to negative 3? Remember that radical symbols refers only to the principal square root of the radical, which is the number inside the radical. So this situation refers to the principal square root of 9. So the principal square root is not negative square root. So that is positive 3. Because again, principal square root is positive square root of a number.
Now, let's proceed to irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are any number that cannot be expressed as a quotient of two integers. The numbers of square root of 2, pi or 3.14, and the special numbers are all irrational numbers. Decimal numbers that are non-repeating and non-terminating are also irrational numbers. Now, let's have an example. How about the square root of 3? Can you give a number that if you multiply by itself, the answer is 3? None. So if the number is not a perfect square, then the principal root is irrational. In this case, we found the consecutive integers between which square root lies. Now, think a number that is perfect square wherein square root of 3 lies. As you can see in this given multiplication table, numbers with the blue color is a perfect square. So, as you can see, there is no 3 na nakalagay. Ang gagawin natin is maghahanap tayo ng perfect square wherein the square root of 3 lies. So, it is between what numbers? Yes, it is between 1 and 4. So, the square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 3 is in between. Therefore, the square root of 3 is between 1 and 2. Lagi nating tandaan na kapag ang given number ay irrational o hindi perfect square, Then we are going to find the two integers between where the square root lies, or yung dalawang numbers na kung saan napapagitnaan yung given number. Para malaman natin kung ano ba na square root ang nakukuha natin sa number na yon. So, now, it's your turn. Find the two consecutive integers which the square root lies. Number 1, the square root of 24. Number 2, the square root of 10.
You can do it. Comment below your answer.